Do you want to live in the city of Frisco and go to Frisco ISD schools? Well, today we're going to show you 5 neighborhoods that are around that $350,000 mark, so stay tuned.
I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
And today we are right here in the city of Frisco, and we get asked all the time, Andy and Patrice, we want to live in Frisco, we want to take advantage of those great schools, but we don't have a huge budget, right? So how can we get the best of both worlds? Get into the city of Frisco, great schools, and stay around that $350,000 mark? Well, today we're going to show you and tour 5 communities that meet all that criteria.
Yep.
Now, if this is your first time on our channel, we are local real estate agents right here in the city of Frisco. And we do 3 videos a week of what it's like to live, work, and play in the greater North Texas area. And so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that bell, so you're alerted every time we do a video.
Yep, and don't forget to give us a call, text, or email. Whatever you got to do to get a hold of us, just get a hold of us.
Now, let's get into this top 5. Now, in this, there's no particular order. Right? These are 5 neighborhoods that we kind of are basically our top 5 neighborhoods that if people are looking to stay under $400,000 in Frisco and want all the advantages of Frisco ISD and all the great schools, these are 5 neighborhoods that we like to showcase.
Yeah, exactly.
We're going to start from the east side of Frisco and move to the west.
Okay, that sounds good.
So the first neighborhood just happens to have a golf course.
It just happens to have a golf course.
Right?
Yes.
Kind of one of the old faithful original golf courses in Frisco, Texas, and we are talking about Plantation Resort.
Yes, we are. Yes.
Like I said, all of these have an average price of $350, but in Plantation Resorts, you're going to be anywhere in the high 2s to, up into that maybe mid 4s.
Yeah, and those are pretty much the ones that are sitting right on the golf course with views and things like that.
Yeah. And they are built in the mid 90s and up. But you talk about location, it's a great location. You're right there off of Lebanon and Ohio kind of area, so it's real close to everything that is Frisco, right? Stonebriar Mall, Preston, all that good stuff.
Yeah, you can't go wrong.
Cannot go wrong. Let's move on to number 2. Again, on the east side, this is just north of El Dorado and on the east side of Preston.
Right.
And that is
Panther Creek Estates.
Panther Creek Estates. Houses here from the early 2000s, 2003, 2004 onward, 2010.
Yeah.
Houses are going to range anywhere between 1,800 square feet and 4,500 square feet, with the average being right around that 350,000 mark.
Right.
What's cool about Panther Creek Estates, it's got great amenities. All of these have good amenities, but one unique thing is it has a skate park.
Yes, it does, which is really nice,
Which is really cool for those skaters.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
In your days, your prior days.
Back in my SoCal days.
Exactly.
When we first met in junior high.
In junior high, yes. And then he actually broke his ribs while skateboarding. So.
Yeah, well, let's not get into that. Yeah. Some of us have better skills than others. I just happen to...
Too many tricks, man.
Yeah. All right. So the next one that we're going to get into is kind of more central, west central, I would say. And this is why we wanted to highlight this community, and it's a nice community, but it feeds into where all three schools, the elementary, middle school, and the high school, are all 10s.
Yeah.
And we get asked all the time, Andy, we want to go into Wakeland High School, Wakeland High School, Wakeland High School.
Well, King Ridge will get you into Wakeland High School.
There you go. For less than $350,000. I think the average price is $348,000. So just under $350,000.
Yeah,
it's got a nice community pool. It's got it's centered. In the middle of the community is like a park,
green space park thing. Yeah.
So it's a nice community, nice houses, anywhere between 1,800 and 3,000 square feet. And like I said, the schools are exemplary.
Yep.
So now, for the last two, we're going to kind of combine two into one.
Yeah, because they are pretty much one and the same.
They're pretty much all in the same community. The people that live in both communities may disagree a little bit. You know,
that's true.
There's a little pride of ownership, but if you're just driving around through the community, they're kind of mixed in with each other, so you wouldn't really know.
Yeah.
And that is
Northridge and Greyhawk.
Right? So they have separate amenities.
They do.
But they share a park.
Yeah.
They share that. They feed into the same schools.
Yeah.
Northridge is just a smaller community of just a couple hundred homes, whereas Greyhawk is a couple thousand homes.
Right.
But both of these, Northridge, they're both built around the same time. Northridge tends to be a little bit smaller in the houses, whereas in Greyhawk it has a wider range. You can get into the high 200s to over 500,000 in Greyhawk. Anyway, these are 5 communities that are must-sees for those that want to live in Frisco. Go to Frisco ISD and stay on $350,000 or less. So don't forget to hit that dream home form below so we could get you set up on alert and get you that custom home right here in North Texas. Until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.